Hi Divas, I am BillyJoe. I'm so excited to be doing this with you guys. Are you guys ready for a super sassy Halloween makeup look? Because I am. So I'm gonna put a little bit of moisturizer on my lips first. This is the Wet n Wild lip treatment. Looks like that. Amazing. Okay, so now I have my lip liner. This is the NYX Professional Makeup. Again, it's a lip pencil in the color Burgundy. That's what it looks like, and I'm just gonna line my lips. I have pretty big lips already, so I don't worry about overlining at all because it'd be just too dramatic, too much. And now I'm gonna go in again with the NYX Liquid Suede. This is the color Cherry Skies. So this is what it looks like. And this is actually brand new. This is fresh. Ooh, yeah, we like it. All right, so I'm just gonna apply this onto my lips. Ooh, that's shiny right now. I'm gonna let her get matte for a minute. And while I do that, we're going to just prep our eyelashes. I'm actually gonna take a white liner and go just kind of very below my eye. This is just a NYX regular white liquid liner. It looks like that. And the applicator is actually a brush. So just right below the lash line. All right, so there we go. Just gonna add a little bit bright to it. So the lashes I use are just the Ardell Wispies. They come in a pack of 5. You can get them literally any drugstore. So I'm literally just gonna pick up the lashes with my tweezers. I always cut off the inner corner. So the lash glue that I use is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe, and it's in the color black. This is what it looks like. I like the aloe version 1 because it really, it's softer on my eyes. It's more gentle on my eyes, I guess. And then when I go to take the lashes off, it's easier to take them off than others, I feel like. So I'm literally just going to, it's just a little squeeze, and I just literally put it on the lash like this. So I squeeze it out and I just layer it on there. Just a thin enough coat. And we're gonna let this dry and get tacky. What are you guys having for dinner tonight? Tacos sound good to me. And I'm literally just gonna plop it on top, so. And these are sorry, I can't talk a lot when I do that. These are lash tweezers. You can get them at any convenience store. I say convenience, or like a gas station is gonna have them. No, like a Walmart, something like that. Okay, now we're on there. We're gonna do our other one and come back. So now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Big Ego mascara by Tarte. I absolutely love this mascara. It is amazing. I feel like it looks great and it does everything I need it to do. So I'm gonna start on my bottom lashes. Just like that. Does everybody else make that like crazy face when you're putting on mascara? You open your mouth for no reason at all. So we're just gonna blend these into each other and lift them up a little bit. So now that we have that, we are gonna make our fun little mouth portion here. And to create that, I am going to use my eyeliner again and just like that, all the way around. Let me pick up my mirror, it's easier to see. Literally just drew lines on my face, that's it. And it brought it back together that much. This is life. So now what I'm gonna do, just to add a little pizzazz to the eye, I'm gonna go in with a liquid eyeshadow. It's by the brand Appeal, and it's just this gold shade. And I'm going to take it, and it looks like this, and we're literally just gonna draw a line in that crease there. Just right above our crease. Just like that. So that when we close our eyes, there's a little something more. All right, guys, so we have that. And now I think we are ready for our jewels. This is the fun part of the look. So I have these little like face jewels. It is by Wet n Wild. It's their Fantasies Maker line they came out with for Halloween. And it's literally, so I'm gonna show it with like how it's supposed to look. That's how it's supposed to look on the face. It's like this card comes out so you know where to place them. And literally I'm going to just peel them off very carefully with my hand like that. So this goes under the eye and we're just gonna place it right under like that. It already has adhesive on it and everything, which makes it super easy, super simple. See, now do you see why the spider web didn't matter if it was messed up? Because we added stuff to it. Now I'm gonna go in with the top layers. Ooh, I kind of like that. I didn't know how this was going to turn out. but it's okay. All right, you guys, so we are done. This is our final look. I'm gonna take these little clips out of my hair because I look crazy with them. We're gonna fluff this mop out that I have. And there you go. A fun little, super easy Halloween skull look. Anybody can do this. It is so easy to do. You don't have to have all the stuff that I have. You can use anything you have at your house for makeup. You don't have to go and spend a fortune just to do a look. I had so much fun with you guys, and I'm so excited for you to see the video. Like it, share it, comment on it. Tell me what you want to see next, because I would love to do more looks with you guys, even if it's just everyday looks. So excited. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Okay, make sure you have us on all there so you can keep in touch with us, see what we're doing, see what you're doing, okay? And then make sure you have the Discount Divas app. It is phenomenal. I love it. I can't get enough of it. I mean, my paycheck goes here, but it's fine, right? It's okay. So make sure you do all of those things. Follow us, like it, share it, comment, hit me up. I'm so glad I did this with you guys. We also have our live sales on the app. It is the best way to shop on them. We have live sales at 12 o'clock, Monday through Friday. And then we have live sales at 4 o'clock on Monday and Wednesday. We have the 7 p.m. ones on Tuesday and Thursday. I really hope I got all that out correctly, because man, that was a lot to say. I had so much fun with you guys though. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you later.